Hello, good morning. Happy Vlogmas. Today is Monday, December 1st. We have a jam-packed week. I'm super excited to vlog for Vlogmas and actually be consistent because I tried last year and I think I made it to like day 5 and just gave up. But this year, we're locked, we're loaded, we're ready, we're pumped, we are motivated, and we honestly have a busy month already. This week is the first week of December, which is also my birth week. So I have a lot of things and work to do this week. Today in specific, I have my maintenance day, so I'm getting my nails. Ordered a really cute birthday outfit that should be coming in today. I also have to film 2 TikToks today and start editing this vlog so I can post it for tomorrow. Really excited, it's gonna be fun. I heard Flushing has a lot of good deals on beauty maintenance, so that's why I'm heading down there. I've been like on TikTok and all the girlies in New York get their maintenance done in Flushing for good prices, so I'm excited to go and do that and come back feeling like a brand new woman. Hi, Zeus. Susie. Huh? Oh, how you doing? Did you sleep well? It's time to go on a walk. It's time to go on your walk. Oh, you're so cute. So I just put my hair up. I'm not gonna do my edges because I'm going for a maintenance day and I don't want to, you know, have my edge control sliding off. But I might put my hair up in a bun. I think I'm gonna add this headband just to, you know, slick the hair back a little bit more. This is literally the end of a tank top that I cut off, and now I'm repurposing it as a headband, but it works wonders. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do ponytail. And I think I'm going to change into a juicy suit just so I'm more comfortable with my heat tech underneath because it's like 40 degrees out. But luckily, the bus that goes, there's a block from my house that goes straight to Flushing, so I don't have to do too much. Made my coffee. It's really good this morning. And then I'm gonna have some eggs for breakfast, and I'm gonna make sure I take my supplements. I don't know about y'all, but I really struggle with being consistent with taking my supplements in the morning. It's so difficult, and I'm trying to be more consistent so I can see better results in my health and just my overall energy levels throughout the day. So my vlogging will keep me consistent this month. So this is the fit. I'm wearing my Juicy Couture velour suit with my black heat tech underneath. Got my hair in a pony. I decided to put the glasses on because I feel like it goes with the no makeup off-duty model look. Some gold accessories, and I think I'm gonna wear my platform Uggs because I think it'll add to the coziness, and it's pretty cold out, so. This is probably the first time I've gotten a mani-pedi that came with a little goodie bag. Like, obsessed. What I just came home to, I'm so excited. So I just got home. These are the finished nails. I really like how they turned out. They're like a nice nude, and then the pink, baby pink French. Looks better like this. Yeah, I think they look so nice. It's my first time doing gel X, so I'm hoping that they last really long and that when I get a refill that my nails won't be messed up. But she did a really good job. And then I got the same baby pink color on my toe. I really like them and they did a really nice job. But I'm so excited. My birthday just finally arrived. It's from ASOS. I'm gonna open up the package in a bit. But yeah, I also stopped at the beauty supply store because I realized that I needed hairspray. So I got this Tresemme extra hold. I had the baby version of this and I really like how it works, so got some of that. And I needed some new lashes. I just got these Eye Envy. I always get Eye Envy, but I got the neutral pack and the deep pack, and these are a mixed curl, but they're both C curl because I think C is great for my lash pattern because I have pretty curly lashes. I guess I just really like the extra length. So yeah, the nail salon gifted me a tote bag, so cute, with some towels. These are like the towels the towel tablets that you like dunk in water and then it expands, which that was pretty cute. And it also came with a complimentary hand cream. I love that. And now I have a cute little tote bag. Like, I love cute little things like this. Like, this is how the nail salon should be doing it. Now you have me as a customer because I'm coming back. Because what? Come on now. I got myself some Raisin Canes. It's so good. And I was starving after my nail appointment. I'm gonna eat this while I edit the footage from today and my birthday pictures and submit some late campaign submissions that I've been putting off for a really long time. So I just actually tried on my dress and my shoes, and I think I decided I'm gonna wait until the day of to show you in the vlog because she's stunning, the shoes stunning, the look stunning, and I can't wait for you guys to see it, but I'm not gonna spoil it yet. But I did want to show off this sweater that was a part of the haul. It's also from ASOS. I think, yes, it's Bershka. This super cute faux fur collar, white ribbed sweater that zips up, and I think it's super adorable, especially for the winter. Yeah, I did a little miniature Black Friday haul, and I thought that this was a must-have because, I mean, come on, super cute. I also got these earrings to go with my birthday look. They're just like these drop, and it matches. I'm literally so excited for my birthday. I'm always so excited for my birthday, but I'm very happy and satisfied that everything came and it fit and it looks great. So I just finished slicking back my hair to start filming for my transition video. I had a shower, did my skincare, and then just flat ironed some bits and got my bangs out. But now I'm gonna set up to start filming. Hello vlog, it's 2 a.m. I just finished beating my face. Now I'm about to change into my after transition outfit, film that, and then yeah, I'm really happy with how this look turned out.
So slay, so glam, so smoky. Ugh, obsessed.